What do you have to do? Let's show us.
Open the hood.
Open the hood. And then
That's it? You done?
that's it. You guys are pretty much done.
So where's the next? In the car.
Gonna take that one off. Damn, monster hands. Bro, the little Spider-Man's still in there. Oh my god.
What?
The little Spider-Man. From that Asian store we went to.
You see it? Oh my god.
Let's see. Nice. Alrighty. We're gonna have to get tools because we gotta take these off as well. Me and Steve were doing his. He freaking dropped like 2 of these bolts in there. Oh my god. Because they're painted to like the paint match, so he had to use like silver ones. I spoke too soon.
Yeah. No. Let me do it.
So this is the hood we're gonna be installing. Full carbon fiber. Even on the back, guys. Dry carbon. Take it. Looks so clean. It's literally gonna dramatically change the front end. Look how aggressive it is. Such an aggressive hump. Has the vent inside there as well. Cannot wait to see the difference. It's gonna look so good. It's so light. Like I almost want to get a scale and weigh the differences.
A pound. Alright, let's do this.
Pounds different. So right now he's running the high kick trunk lip, which looks really good. There's a few styles for this, the pointy edge and the round edge. And then obviously we got to rep the A concept sticker, 3-piece diffuser, FI exhaust. He blacked out the reflectors. He's really lowered, his fitment is on point. Got some Boris Steiner wheels on, carbon fiber side skirts. Make sure to follow him on Instagram, guys. This is his name right here.
What's the from the
Soap? Oh yeah, it's probably from the soap.
Let's take it all.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to take that one off.
Which one?
The one from the back.
Oh yeah.
Just loosen that first.
Because yeah, this one just comes up on the part.
You have to take off the bottom one.
So if you guys never took the hood off, it's pretty much the same on all F chassis. Don't loosen this one all the way because it just comes up. And then the one in the back you got to take completely off.
See the foaming pads on it.
Is it too heavy, guys? You guys got it? It's too heavy? You're gonna see the hump for sure, bro.
It's gonna look a lot different.
It's gonna look a lot different.
I'm gonna try to line it.
It's gonna look so good.
Lift it a little bit, yeah?
Wow.
Right there.
Stock hood is just plain flat. These little lines. What's up, Abraham?
Lift it up a little bit. From here?
Lift it up, pick it up.
Yeah, from here. Just lift it up.
Right now we're trying to follow the OEM bolts where they were, so hopefully when we close it, it sits right. If not, we're gonna have to do some adjustments. But as you guys can see, full carbon fiber inside. This hood is so light compared to that one. We're kind of nervous because it has the 2 shocks on each side, so I think we're gonna have to run 1 shock only because we don't want to put any pressure and we don't want to take any risk of the hood cracking.
Yeah, you have to take off this one.
Take off that one, yeah. Because stuff's connected to that one.
Just like just
Kind of like just put some pressure on it.
I don't want to break.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to break this.
That's too hard.
So yeah, I think we're gonna have to take one side off. As we still have my M6 sitting and looking like a monster truck. Look at that wheel fitment again, guys. I'm still waiting on a few companies to get back to me on which air suspension I'm gonna go with. I'm definitely gonna do air suspension. I'm just not too sure on which one I'm gonna go with yet. Also, I didn't vlog this, but I previously did side skirts and they look so sick, guys. Believe it or not, these side skirts are for an F80 and F82. But I was like, you know what? It's the same dimensions as the M6, so I tried them on and they feel good. Car's filthy. I haven't drove it like in 2 weeks. Let's see if you guys can see all the dust. Yep, 2 weeks. Just been parked.
3 hours later.
We're gonna clean all the carbon fiber inside, get it looking brand new. Oh my god, it smells like grapes. Or,
Fucking mama.
now it just really hit me, the smell. Oh, pushed it back in. Make sure you guys do the right side because this one is connected to all this stuff. Like, it shoots the water out, so you guys don't want to mess with this one. Definitely do that one. Just leave it like that.
Just push it back there.
Yeah, there you go. Now you have to figure out how to take it out from the bottom.
Oh, this is gonna be the harder one. This is gonna be hard.
Like that.
Hurry on, do it.
All right, guys, let's see how it looks with they close. It's the first time seeing it. Oh, there's my phone.
Fuck.
Not really full. It looks crazy good. Wow.
It's good or what?
Hell yeah, dude.
Which one matter? Just ones.
Yeah, very minor.
Yeah, it's a little,
See?
little off. Little bit.
Yeah, some little off. Yeah, literally what you're saying. We gotta do that.
And that is good because right here they have very bad.
Looks so clean, dude. Looks so aggressive.
What about that side?
If I kept my M2, this would be on my car right now. I'm just saying, if I kept my M2, this would be on my car right now. Yeah, don't do too much because then it's gonna displace completely. I'm having M2 withdrawals, guys. I miss my car. So clean inside. Carbon fiber everywhere. Full carbon fiber steering wheel. Carbon fiber paddle extensions in the back. Oh man, this car feels so much tinier than my M6. It's like, it's crazy the difference. Like, now when I drive my old M2, it literally feels like a go-kart compared to my M6. But you guys know the M6 has tons of power, so I really do enjoy that. We just finished doing the fitment on the hood. Everything is perfect. I'm gonna show you guys right now when we close it. We have everything lined up right here, lined up on the sides. We do need to adjust the bumper a little bit. We're probably gonna push it a little bit in. We're putting that piece back because we did have to remove the right shock. And then there's already all the holes so we can plug all this stuff back up, put the car back to normal. But it looks so sick. I love this design, guys. It's so aggressive. If I had my M2 still, this hood would be on my car. After fixing the bumper a little and adjusting it on the sides, fitment is A1, guys. It looks so sick. Let's check it out from the front. Damn, bro. Come look in the camera. Look how aggressive it looks.
It looks fatter, huh?
It looks fat. It looks so good. Like the contours and like the shape of everything, bro. It literally brought the front end to life. Looks so sick. Could have been on. Oh, I want the M2 back now. Damn, I'm jealous. This vent is dope too. Such a clean hood. I like it a lot. Right now we're just gonna polish it up. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. We fully polished the whole hood. We applied some ceramic coating and it completely transformed the car. What do you think, bro?
It's badass, bro.
This looks so sick. Damn. Holy crap, it's so aggressive. But yeah guys, everyone, Abraham's gonna be starting his YouTube channel soon.
Oh,
So make sure to follow him. I'll put all the links down below in the description. But yeah, it looks so sick outside. Damn. Just got Abraham right here doing some pictures. Wow. I want to take photos of my car now, dude. Wow. Big difference, guys. Bro. It looks so aggressive. My bad. Damn.
And you see the streaks?
See? Oh yeah, they're everywhere. Make sure you clean that off. Little walk around real quick, guys. This build's pretty much complete. Looks so clean. hump. You can literally see from over here. Oh, damn. Man, this is crazy. It's so aggressive, dude. Now you have to go wide body eventually. Eventually, not this second, but